Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to delete a message in a group chat on the Messenger app for PC. Whether you've sent a message by mistake or just want to clear up some space, this new update makes it simple. Let's get right into it. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, make sure to do that so you can access all the latest features. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, locate and open the group conversation where the message or photo you want to delete is. It's easy to find. Just scroll through your conversations until you see the right group. Once you've opened it, take a moment to find the specific message you want to remove. Now, right-click on the message or photo you wish to delete. This action will bring up a menu with several options for you to choose from. From this menu, select Remove for You. This option will delete the message from your view only, which means it will still be visible to other members of the group. It's perfect if you want to clean up your chat history without affecting the conversation for everyone else. Finally, click Remove to confirm your action. Once you do this, the message will be deleted from your chat and you won't see it anymore. This quick step helps you maintain a tidy chat history without any hassle. To recap the steps: first, open the Messenger app on your PC. Then, navigate to the group conversation. Right-click on the message or photo you want to delete. Select Remove for You. And finally, click Remove to confirm. And that's all there is to it. Deleting messages in a group chat on Messenger is an effective way to keep your conversations organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps. See you in the next video.